On today's body cam, we're checking out cops find daughter crushing her mom to death with car.
They're all right. No, somebody gets the law. He's still in there. I don't know if she's high or crazy what. She's saying she's back to her.
Somebody pinned against the wall.
Back up.
On June 15th, 2024, a quiet Ohio neighborhood is thrown into chaos after a woman is pinned to her garage by a vehicle with her own daughter behind the wheel. But when she refuses to cooperate, Miami Township officers find themselves in pursuit of a desperate driver willing to risk everything to get away.
This lady over here's pinned.
All right, stand right here. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get on in the car now.
64-year-old Joyce Millette remains trapped and fighting for her life as her 23-year-old daughter, Anna Millette, is just seconds away from putting even more lives at risk, including a dog sitting inside the car.
Get out of the car!
I need to get back to Earth. Wait, what? Oh, nah, you know she bugged out, man. She got the same haircut I got, man. Shit, I think I got more hair. Boy, hold up. What? Nah, listen. Yeah, you can tell, man. She not wrapped too tight, boy.
Watch out. Go back, man. Go. All right, watch out. Stop.
Get the hell out of here.
Hey, 16. She's fleeing. Get out of the car.
Wow, and this is a nice neighborhood too, man. Oh boy. See, that's the thing, man. You don't. Nah, you know what? Let's go.
As Anna makes a desperate escape, officers begin a high-speed pursuit. Meanwhile, emergency responders race to save her mother.
Have EMS respond in now. Ma'am? All right. Can't move. Okay, stay with me, okay? What's your name? I'm here, okay? Stay with me.
I throw up.
All right. Right there, okay? If you got to throw up, you're fine. I got you. Stay with me. You got her?
Yep, got her.
As Joyce's fate hangs in the balance, Anna continues to lead officers on a chaotic chase. With her driver's side door swinging open, she barrels through back roads, continues driving even after losing her front right tire, and races onto the highway. But as she swerves across the road, the pursuit comes to a violent end.
Yeah, she's nuts.
Get her hands on.
Get on your back. Get on your back.
Got it. Slow down.
We're 375 just across the bridge.
Come on.
Despite the severity of the crash, Anna and her dog have made it out alive. However, as
Oh, come on. We love the dogs. Shy love the dogs, man. Damn, she said, can you just off me? Yeah, because you know you going to jail, man, for a little minute, too. I mean, well, who knows? Because the ladies don't get that much time. But I would say girl-on-girl crime?
officers begin reading Anna her
I'll say at least 10 years.
Miranda rights.
She should get more. If it was a guy, a guy definitely getting like probably what attempt. You probably gonna get an attempt M. So you getting like 20.
Her refusal to cooperate reignites, giving way to a series of unsettling statements.
Hey,
I want to go back. Can I just...
Anna, stop. Anna, stop.
Get in the car.
Please, I don't want it.
Please, I don't want to be dissected. Please, I want to go back to Earth. That wasn't my mom.
This won't be the last of Anna's disturbing remarks, as she will soon provide a bizarre explanation behind the day's events. But for one responding officer, her behavior isn't entirely unfamiliar.
Yeah, we've dealt with her before doing the same thing, chasing boyfriend down the yard with her.
Is she an impaired person, or is she just a mental?
I think it's a mental.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
The incident involving her now ex-boyfriend occurred in May of 2022. However, police reports do not provide a full account of what transpired. For that attack, court documents show that Anna was convicted of felonious assault, served 7 months in prison, and was released on parole in 2023, a status she was still under when she struck her mother with the car.
See, and now this doesn't look good because this is your second, violent offense.
Back at Joyce's home, emergency responders desperately try to save her life as she's been critically injured in the attack. Police then turn to witness accounts to reconstruct the moments leading up to the incident, where one woman paints a particularly horrifying picture.
The black Acura, I don't know who the players were, but it had turned around, just kind of like a normal turn in our driveway, and then I saw a woman running on the yard.
Okay.
And the Acura came up on their lawn.
Yep.
And stopped to not hit the tree. It looked like I think the woman was in the tree, and the woman ran into the garage. Her car came over here somewhere.
Okay.
Investigators will soon discover that Anna's understanding of what she did is far removed from reality. She is then transported to the hospital. There, a detective sits at her bedside, hoping to get answers. But with every statement, Anna's account only becomes stranger.
My ex-boyfriend was a demon when I went to hell, and he ripped my face off.
Where was hell for you?
At my sister's house, and then they also ripped my body off in that camper. They ripped my body apart. I have a video of it. And he replaced my whole family. And he's trying to erase me. He looked at our family photos, all my photos of me in our car.
From your house?
Yes. They tried getting rid of my whole family. They replaced them with other people, other clones or something, or fucking non-humans. And I just wanted my family back.
As Anna details her side of the story, she makes it clear that in her mind, the woman before her was no longer her mother.
It's an alien or something. I looked at her closely and I took a picture of her. I have it on my phone. She's not human. She had my phone in her purse, and I grabbed her purse, and she just started dragging me down the road. And she's not an old woman. She's extremely strong.
Right.
She's like an FBI agent or something. I shaved my head because she threatened to scalp me.
Well, why did she threaten to scalp you?
I don't know. She threatened to beat me to a pulp and scalp me.
Security.
See, with these types of claims and stuff, they could plead insanity and stuff and be getting off and everything. She need to go, man.
Camera footage from the day before captured a tense exchange between the mother and daughter, offering a glimpse into the events that may have preceded the attack.
I have no idea where you're trying not in charge. I don't want anything to do with it. Go in the house and pack your I will drop you off at the homeless shelter. Pack your Why? You got an ID in there.
A relative would also tell investigators that Joyce had spent the night before the terrifying ordeal with another family member, claiming that Anna was beating her up. By the following morning, the situation would escalate to a deadly level.
She kept running away, and I had a broken leg.
Where's the father?
I'm not running away. It was she, instead of getting in the car with me, she just kept going I don't know. I just drove forward in the garage, and I had to back up. And I was in so much pain. She was flew by the side or something. Okay. But she didn't get hit or anything.
Audio portions of the attack were also captured by a neighboring security camera, where screams can be heard echoing just seconds before Joyce is struck.
I was a hostage or something. I wanted to be returned. I didn't want to hurt anybody. I didn't want to hurt the car. I didn't want to hurt anybody. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to have peace at last. I do love her, but it's not her anymore.
As Anna is transported to the Claremont County Jail, she makes a claim that will haunt her for the rest of her life.
I didn't kill anybody, though.
That's not for me to say.
It's not a decision. I didn't kill anybody.
Okay, Anna, that's
No, it's not a decision. I didn't kill anybody.
Tragically, that's not true. 64-year-old Joyce succumbed to the injuries she sustained during the incident. According to police records, she suffered a crushed pelvis, which caused extensive internal bleeding. Joyce's obituary remembers her as having, quote, gently left our world, leaving behind 4 beloved grandchildren.
Your own daughter, man. Your own daughter took you out of here. Sent you up through there. That is insane. You have kids. You try to do your best. One turns out nuts and could check you out. That's insane, man. Yeah, she definitely got to get 25 now. For sure. If she didn't die, I'm thinking, probably get 10. She'll probably get 10, you know. But she died. You gotta get 25, man. You gotta get 25 to life. 25 to life, man. You're cooked. That's sad, man. And now you heard the neighbor's audio of what happened prior, and that just, ooh, you get chills now.
It's unfair. I need to be released. I didn't kill anybody.
According to court documents, Anna was charged with 1 count of aggravated murder, 3 counts of murder, and 4 counts of felonious assault, each with a repeat violent offender specification. She was also charged with 2 counts of failure to comply with an order or signal of a police officer. In July of 2025, Anna pleaded guilty to involuntary manslaughter and felonious assault. But
how does she get offered a deal? How does she get offered a deal with that? Man, she's supposed to get 25 to life, no deal. She has violence in her history. She was just on what, parole for that?
both with repeat violent offender specifications. The following month, she was sentenced to 21 to 26 and a half years in prison, while the remaining charges were dismissed. Watch our full...
That's BS. She's got an outdate, man. That's crazy. 21 to 26, man. Good behavior. You know, like, come on, man. A guy is getting 25 to life. A guy is getting 25 to life. You're getting life for that. How is she offered a deal? That's insane. That's crazy, man. That's as insane as her. How does she get offered a deal?